Welcome back everybody to another video. In this video, I'm here with my Dodge Ram and I'm gonna try out some floor mats because my truck is a mess. So I went on Amazon, I found some floor mats and they're by a company called Oedro. There it is. There's the part number. I'm going to put a link down in the description below. I emptied the box already, so you can take a look at it. They're pretty thick compared to other brands on the market. I would say these are close to the Husky brand floor mats. As far as thickness of the material and the style of the material is more like a Husky rather than a WeatherTech. I've had Huskies in the past too, and they're fine. So let's see how they fit in the truck. Let's do the beautiful peel. Sorry if my truck's a little messy. You're gonna put your seat all the way back. Once the seat's all the way back, you slide it like that, nose down. Slide that up. And then there's a little hooky thing there. The little hooky thing goes through this hole, and there we go. So obviously it just came out of the box, so once it warms up this will like rest. So if we take a look at everything, it seems like the mold is pretty good. Let's check out the passenger side. On the passenger side, make sure there's no suckers on the ground. And put the seat all the way back, and the same thing, you're gonna slide this up like so. And you're gonna just slide it into place here. And then you're all done. And the passenger side fits pretty well also. I'm not seeing any kind of crazy misalignment or anything. You know, we have a little bit here, but I mean, that's pretty much perfect. So let's take a look at the back seat. The rear mat is a single piece that goes all the way across. So we're gonna slide this guy in, and it's a little bit harder to do with one hand, so jump cut. Okay, I'm really surprised. This seems to fit better than my WeatherTechs. Like, it's tight everywhere. So let's take a look. Like, everywhere it's nice and tight. The WeatherTechs are a lot looser. Having a child seat means this nice tight fit keeps all the crumbs and juice and milk out of the way. So yeah, wow. Well, yeah, I'll show you my WeatherTechs right here on the floor. Those things, these fit a lot worse than the Oedros. So, probably gonna keep these in here. And I'll show you real quick the fronts. The fronts are a lot more loose too. Like, there's a pretty big gap there. It doesn't fit tight against the carpet there. Same thing here on the driver's side. And these are the WeatherTechs. So I'm gonna put the Oedro mats in here. And I feel like if any of you need mats, you should pick them up too. Hopefully this video helped you out and helped you decide on what kind of floor mats you want to buy for your truck. And I'm gonna have the link and all the stuff down below if you want these. They're pretty cheap on Amazon. And as you can tell from my video, they actually fit better than my expensive WeatherTechs. So I'm gonna keep these in the truck. So until next time, wrench on.